Okay, we're live.
Cool.
Pull up the quiz.
Quiz loaded up.
Yeah, mine's taking forever. I met my sister-in-law's and their internet's a little bit slower than mine.
I didn't have enough time to prepare. And also I think I don't understand about the statistics.
This one is kicking my
Basic.
trash.
Big lesson.
Well, okay, question 1, 2, 2, 2, and question 3, we need to open the T distribution applet.
Mhm.
I think I still have it up here somewhere.
This is lesson 11, right?
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, I have mine up.
Okay, just barely loaded for me as well.
Mine is now up.
Okay, so we just loaded up the T distribution applets, and then we had assumed the population standard deviation of sigma was known. In this lesson, we are making different assumption about sigma, what was changed. So now we assume that it is, like at the beginning, we assume it is the same as the mean, right?
Mhm.
No, it's not mean.
So assume sigma is unknown, right? Answer. First
So it
one.
wasn't that it was unknown. We assume it was like from the sample.
I think it's sigma is unknown, right?
Right.
I think so.
Because I remember being like we start by assuming something was the same as the sample standard deviation instead of the mean. That wouldn't make sense.
Okay, unknown.
Okay, for the next two questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be u equals 8, and u is greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation of sigma is not known. Becca collects a sample size of n equals 6 and computes x to equal 11 and s to equal 6. So then it says, is sigma known? No.
Said that it's
right?
not known.
Sigma
Right,
is
I hope it's not a trick question. Like, just say
yes
it's not
or
known.
yes?
The answer is no.
No.
And then it says, what is the value of t? For the next question. Where's that formula?
The t equal x bar minus mu, and then I don't know what to say. N and S, that formula, right?
Yeah, so t equals x bar minus u over s divided by the square root of n.
Mm-hmm. So x bar is 11 minus 8. And then root 9, 6. Mama, yeah, I know. $1.5.
1 second.
Yeah, I'm still figuring.
11.
I got 1.5 as well.
Okay.
Everyone else get that?
Yeah.
やめてお風呂入ったんだから。No, don't bother
Yep,
me, please.
sounds about right.
Okay.
Awesome. So for the next values, which pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions, copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis 98.6. Alternative hypothesis is less than, and the level of significance is 0.05. So I don't know if it lets you guys, but mine doesn't copy and paste.
I can't because this one is not allowed to copy.
Yeah, I can't either.
Right? So we have to put.
So we just have to literally type it in.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
Take a minute.
And this will be going into the one sample t-test for means?
Yes.
Man, I wish I had a 10 key.
There are 24 data points.
Not there yet.
Just kidding. Because it skipped over the first like 5, so there should be only.
So I'm not sure. N equal 20.
Okay, there are 20.
Mean 98.220.
Okay, so what did you get as the mean?
98.220.
Yeah.
I got
Same.
98.220 as well.
Same.
Okay, great. So we're all on the same page.
Good.
Not missing any random data points.
Or we all missed the exact same one.
Yeah.
You guys are right.
Statistically, that would not be right.
So X, oh wait.
Has to be the 0.922, right? Because that's
0.922. Yeah. Same.
Hang on. So we need to change it to say less than instead of greater than as the type of test. Right? It is less than, isn't it?
Let's see.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is true.
Yes.
What are you talking
Okay,
about?
Okay, that just changed the p-value. It looks like everything else remained the same.
Okay. So what's the X bar? Sorry, what was answer 6? What did you guys get?
The X bar
98.220.
98.220.
220. Yeah.
Because the X bar is
Wait, is the X bar mean?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. For some reason I have 98.225, but I'm sure that's just a small error on my computing thing, so
Mm-hmm.
I'll just trust you guys. Okay. What is S?
0.922.
Right, the standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 3 decimals.
So now we need the t-score.
So the formula. So X bar is 98.220 minus 98.6. Mu is 98.6.
So for the t-score, you can actually just get it from the Excel spreadsheet like you do for all the other ones. But you need
So
to make sure that
underneath t in variable 1?
Hmm?
So is that just where it says like the 427.903 underneath t? There's that score right there?
there should be a box that says T, and that stands for t-score. But you need to make sure you have the correct null hypothesis, type of test, and confidence level.
Okay, and then they'll calculate it there. So so we need to put in the null hypothesis of let's see.
Is 98.6 instead of 10.
Right.
10? Oh. Wait a minute. So we have to change down. Which one should I change? Wait, I'm sorry.
So
Where
you're going to, in the Excel sheet where
Uh-huh.
we change the type of test, right above that, it says null hypothesis and it should say 10. You're going to change it from 10 to 98.6.
10. 9. Okay. So 0.95, 0 and not equal to?
Less than.
Less than. Okay. 0.95, 10, less than 10. Okay. 0.992.
Okay, so now that I changed that, I'm showing t-score of negative 1.843.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Wait a minute. I forgot. Okay. So 98.220 minus 98.6, right? X bar minus mu.
So we don't actually have to calculate the t-score. It's on the Excel sheet.
Oh.
Under T.
So 427.903?
No, because first you have to change the null hypothesis on the Excel sheet, and then it will give us the correct t-score.
T.
I still can't find my. Where was it at?
So T, DF, p-value, confidence interval.
Yeah, so that T should be the answer. But what did you change your null hypothesis to?
Oh. So I'm sorry, what's your answer?
So how in the box you change the null hypothesis from 10 to 98.6.
10 to 90 point.
98.6.
Okay, wait a minute. So are you guys talking about the confidence level, null hypothesis type
Right,
of
so
test?
underneath the null hypothesis.
So I put the 0.95, 10, and the less than.
So where it says 10, you need to change the 10 to say 98.6.
Ah, 98.6. Oh,
Because that's where our current null hypothesis is.
90. Oh, yeah. Got it. Sorry. Then the answer is minus 1.8843.
Yes.
Oh, hold on. 1.843. Okay.
And then the p-value we have listed there.
Minus 1.843 minus 1.843. Sorry, question answer is minus 1.843, right?
Yeah.
Hi, thank you. And then, okay, put this number to the where?
What did you get for the p-value?
I'm showing 0.04048, blah, blah, blah. So round to 3, 0.040.
Minus 1.843. Oh, 0.163?
We're on still question 8, right?
No, we're on 9 now.
No,
the p-value.
9. 9.
Sorry, I'm like, wait, cutting out.
No,
What'd you
you're
get for
fine.
8?
Did you get question 8?
No.
It's negative 1.843.
My spreadsheet like not working.
Oh,
Okay, and for the p-value, we got 0.0. Was it?
40?
0.040.
0.40. Oh, yeah.
You need to round to 3 decimals.
Yeah.
Right, and the next one after that is 4, so it has to be 0.040.
0.040.
round up because it's 4.
So 0.040 is correct?
Is number 9.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And so since we have a what's it called? Forgetting the term, level of significance of 0.05, it is below, so we would reject the null hypothesis.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because it's smaller than 0.05, right?
Yeah, because it's smaller.
It's less than.
So
Yeah.
fail, right? The first one?
The second one,
No.
we
The
reject.
second one. Sorry.
Reject the.
Okay, sorry. Oh, more numbers.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
At least there's no decimal points. We can just input the numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm showing n equals 21 with a mean of 40.048.
Yeah, hold on, please.
Okay.
N is 21.
21. Okay, so p-value.
What the heck?
And it's a
What's the
40.
name of your guys' spreadsheet you have open?
What did you get as the mean?
I'm showing 40.048. And Jordan, it's the name of the full Excel sheet is the quantitative inference procedures. We're on the one sample t-test for means.
Okay. I couldn't figure out why my thing's not coming up with the right stuff because I have the quantitative descriptive one. I opened the wrong one.
Okay.
So I'm like, I am so lost.
That would do it.
So
Okay, what are you
now
showing as your p-value?
For the
So-
mean?
excuse me. So now we have to change the confidence level hypothesis type of test.
Yes.
Okay, so 0.95 and what? 40?
Yep,
No.
40.
Okay, 40. Change 40 and the not equal to.
Yep.
Okay. P-value.
Showing like 0.995.
Uh-huh.
Assuming I input it all correctly.
So the null is 40.
0.995. 0.995. 0. No.
Right. Yeah, they're not specifying it's more than or less than. They're just saying it's not 40.
Not 40.
Okay, sorry guys, my computer just froze. What question are we on?
11.
Oh, we're on the p-value still?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So are you showing the 0.995?
That's what I got.
Yeah. Same.
All right.
Yep.
Okay, next.
What decision do you make?
So 0.01. This
So
one
it's greater
is-
than.
It's significantly greater than. It's like
Yeah. So fail
it's
to
almost 1.
Yeah,
to
so-
reject,
Delta.
Yep.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, so now for this one, it
13.
says you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use less than 40 and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? So we just go to the Excel and change not equal to less than, and the p-value
Decrease
decreases.
significantly.
So the first one.
Decrease.
And based off of that, we still fail to reject, right?
Delta.
Right.
Now
I'm
construct a 95 confidence interval for the true mean wait time between the births. So the confidence interval is on the Excel sheet.
It's already 0.95. So
What do you guys have?
my comment is 0.95. Which is the lower limit.
0.95. Where?
It's
Confidence
right above null
level.
hypothesis.
Yeah, 0.95, but the confidence interval is like right next to the p-value.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
So that'd be the
Lower
23.499.
Yeah.
You said 22.499.
23. 3.
So it says
Oh.
round to one decimal, so 23.5.
Awesome.
Hold on. 23.499. And
But you just round to one decimal, so it'll be 23.5.
Right.
Next one's upper limit.
wow.
So
Wow.
points.
Okay, thank you. So next one is so 56.6.
6.
Okay, hold on, please.
You said 56.6?
Yeah.
56.6.
Okay, I'll go ahead and
Oh.
submit and see what it's looking like.
So after that, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Okay. So how?
I'm showing 100%.
Good. So question 13. How did you find the answer? Decrease.
So you just went in on the Excel spreadsheet where it says type of test, and we just changed
Okay.
it from not equal to, change it to less than, and then you just look at the p-value, and the p-value, does it increase or decrease? You change that, the p-value changes.
Oh, okay. Got it. And okay.
Awesome. Hey,
All right, sounds good. So see you
Okay.
on Monday.
See you Monday.
okay, see you Monday. Have a great Valentine's Day.
You
You guys
too.
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 Bye.
Bye.